Welcome to part 35 of Laravel 12 multi-binary e-commerce series. So we will continue working on the products module. And in this part, we are going to validate the add edit product form. So we are working on the add edit product form in the last few parts. And here you can see that we able to add edit the product. Okay, we have completed the basic as well as the advanced form. And here we can able to update the product main image as well as the product video and other fields as well. Okay, so now we are going to add the validations for this form because right now there are no validation. Okay, even we can add the blank form. So this is not right. Here I have already added that which fields are required to be validate. Okay, so these are the fields that are required to be validate, like the category level, okay, and product name, product code, and after that product color also. I think that we must validate the product color as well as the family color as well. Okay, so these fields are mandatory, and also the product price is mandatory. Okay, so here this sign I'm also going to add. So I'm going to open this page, add edit product blade file located under products. So here I will first mark that which fields are mandatory. Okay, so this one is mandatory, fine. Okay, and after this, product name is mandatory, product code is mandatory, then product color must be mandatory as well, and family color that we worked in the last part, we able to make it select box. Okay, and this is mandatory as well. Then the product price. Okay, and I don't think any other field requires to be mandatory. Okay, so these are the fields that we require to validate. And for the validations, we require to create the product request. So we are going to take these steps. We are going to create the product request and take the further steps to validate our product form. Okay. So like we have created the category request earlier. Now we are going to create the product request for all the form validation, for all the product form validation. Okay. So this is the artisan command. So we are going to run this artisan command. So here I'm going to run this artisan command for my project. Okay. So it has been done. And now I'm going to open the product request. Okay. So you can see the product request here. And earlier on, we also worked on category request. Here you can see here we have added all the rules and messages. Okay. All the functions that are required. Okay, for validating the add edit category form. And now we are going to work on validating the product form, add edit product form. Okay, so that's why we have created this product request. So we are going to add here the authorize. We are required to authorize this validation with true. Okay, and also we are going to add the rules, that the fields that we are required to validate, and also the custom messages for these rules we are going to add. So we are going to add here return true, that is fine. And now the rules, these rules we are going to specify, that is the category ID is required, product name is required, product code is required, product price is required with numeric, and product color is required. See, family color is required. Okay, so this one is not required because now we are using just the select box for the family color, so this one is not required. Okay, so the maximum length is also specified for the fields. Okay, and I'm going to copy this one and we'll add it here in the rules. Okay, so here the product price, you can see the product price must be numeric and must be greater than 0. Okay, GT means greater than 0. Okay, less than LT or GT. Okay, so here these are the validation, and these are the custom message that we are going to add for these rules. Okay, so separate function we are going to create for the custom messages, and here you can see the category ID. If not specified, then we are going to show the error message category is required. If product name is not added, then we are going to show product name is required. If product name is not valid, then we are going to show valid product name is required. Okay, see, we have not added any kind of regular expression for the product name. Okay, so this validation is not required. And if we will add some regular expression, then this validation is required. So I'm going to remove this one. This one is not required. See, only product name required, that is fine. Product code required, that is fine. Product price required, that is fine. And valid product price is required if the value is not numeric, that is fine. Okay, product color is required, that is fine. And family color required. Family color regular expression is also not required, so I'm going to remove this one as well. Okay, so these are the messages for these rules. Okay, so after this, we are going to add this at the top of the product controller. So we are going to modify the product controller here, and we are going to add this request at the top, somewhere at the top. Okay, so now we need to specify the product request both in store as well as the update function. Store is for the submission of the add product form, and update is for the submission of the update product form. Okay, so we require to add this, we require to see store. We are going to replace the request with the product request, and also we are going to replace the uh, here the in update, we are going to replace the request with the get request as well. Okay, so finally, see, it has been done. Now we are going to test it. I'm going to refresh, and we'll see, we'll click on submit and see that it will validate. Oh no, it has product updaters. Okay, so we are going to add the new product, then only we can able to know, because that product I have just updated. Okay, so I'm going to add the new product. So now I'm going to click on submit, and we'll see that if it will validate or this form or not. Let's see. Yes, now it is validating this form. So we are required to fill the mandatory fields. Okay, so it specifies that which fields are mandatory. So we are required to add the category, product name, product code, product price, product color, as well as the family color. Okay, so we are going to add one by one, like the men t-shirt. Then we will add something now, this time black casual t-shirt, and the product code, something like anything we can add it like this. And I will not fill the remaining color. We'll see that if it will validate this one, and okay, we'll show the error message for the other ones. Let's see. Click on submit. See, now just three error messages are left: product price, product color, and family color. So we are required to add the data for these three fields. Then it will able to validate this one properly. Okay, so product price, I'm going to add here the product price, whatever the price, 1400. And after that, product color. See, product color is here. I'm going to add some product color, like see, black is the color here. Black I'm going to add, and black I require to select here as well. The family color must be as the black. So all the mandatory fields we have able to fill now. Now I will click on submit, and it must get submitted. Yes. Now you can see the black casual t-shirt has been added. So here you can see the product code is required. The error message is coming because we have removed the product code from here. Okay, so we are going to add the product code once again, then it will give the no error message. Okay, so here we have updated the product code, and now see, it will give no error message because we have added the product code once again. So like this, you can able to validate your add edit product form. In the next part, we are going to work on the alternate images for the product. We are going to work on the product image gallery. Okay, so far we have only added the main image of the product. You can see that we have added the product main image. Okay, but now we are going to work on the alternate images for the product. We are going to add the product image gallery. Okay, so we are going to work on this thing in the next part, so please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.